Hi, I'm Phil Loader from the Business Enterprise Centre. Now, we help businesses and support them to be successful. So, with COVID and all of the stresses and strains on business life, personal life, etc., particularly for the small businesses, we decided to run a seminar on wellness in the workplace and wellness specifically for business owners. This is where Michelle came in. She was one of our presenters at the seminar, along with some national providers as well. However, Michelle stole the show. She not only addressed the what are the questions, what you need to do, like the other national providers did, but she actually delved into what are the triggers for what you're doing and how to resolve some of the issues that you find and situations that you find yourself in, giving people tips and tricks to take the first step to move forward in this. And that was hugely popular with our audience, which is why I think Michelle's video has been viewed, I think it's about 500 or 600 times more than anybody else's that we recorded on the day. I would strongly recommend using Michelle. We will definitely be asking her to come back and do some more seminars for us in the future. I think the structure of what she put together was exactly what the audience needed, and thank you very much, Michelle, and all the best.